Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. I am Squashy Boy's manager, as you can tell from the glasses. So right now we're here at Sim Lim Square, the legendary Sim Lim Square in Singapore. We're gonna buy parts for him so that he can upgrade his PC. And I brought a long-time friend of mine. He's very good at building PCs, I guess. And yeah, so I brought him along so that we can build PCs together.
Let's go.
Okay, so now I'm at my really close friend's shop. His name is... So yeah, now we're gonna go into the shop and we're gonna buy what parts we need for the PC.
It will be 1039.
Hi,
Yes.
can I buy everything?
Huh?
Like, can I buy everything in the shop?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're buying everything. Okay guys, so we've got the parts and we're gonna build the... So yeah, we're gonna start very soon. And oh yeah, we need to take out the old PC, the Beast, the i47 Ryzen 377. Yeah, we're gonna take everything out. We're gonna move like some stuff around and then we're gonna start the build vlog. We don't have thermal paste this time, but you know.
I brought.
Oh, you brought thermal paste?
Yeah.
Okay, you remember what happened last time? Dude, I think I put a lot. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do that. Oh, hi guys. Okay, so now we're gonna port the PC over. So we're gonna dismantle this whole thing and we're gonna yeet it over. Oh, it looks sick. It looks sick. Okay guys, so we finally reached the last part, the best part of the build. You know, the most expensive part. I freaking paid a bomb for this. The GTX 1060 Ti. Oh! Oh shit. Oh. Please be broken. Dude, the fans are so small. So this is my old card. This is my new card. It's a lot smaller. It's actually a lot smaller there. Taking photos. You know it stops the video halfway, right?
Yeah.
Hello guys, so we're gonna test the PC. It's first try. Let's go. Oh shit, this is sick. Oh, we forgot to take out the NZXT thing.
Do you plug the NZXT in?
Oh, we didn't!
Oh.
PC on desk 2.
Jesus!
Oh my god! By the way guys, I had to freaking wire the PC up all the way outside. Just for that shot. So here are the benchmarks compared from my old PC to my new PC, and as you can see, it is very good. Yes. So let's me and Swisk, okay, it's a special announcement. We are actually starting a small business in like Singapore. Really? We're gonna be building PCs.
So if you're interested, you can check.
You can check this link. It's only on Carousel. Okay, Carousel, if you do not know, Craigslist is basically a Singapore.
Carousel is basically a Craigslist for Singapore, and we'll only build the PCs after you order them, and it will either be built by me or him. That's all.
That's right.
It's only two of us, so
It's like two of us.
support. That's damn bad. I'm sorry, it's damn strong.
Thanks for watching this build vlog. Like this video if you liked it. Dislike this video if you didn't like it. Share for money, and I'll see you in another video.